Okay, so we're going to actually now go about solving these without having the actual algebra tiles, and you don't have to worry about drawing them exactly, so pretty. We're going to make sure though that we draw algebra tiles to show solving these, just like we were just doing. So it says, draw algebra tiles to solve the simple equations, then check your work with substitution. And we were doing that also. So what could we do right away that would help us as we're trying to solve this? Let's use some reasoning like what we just learned by doing it, with it right there in front of us. Sierra? We could what? Rewrite it? Okay, how would we rewrite it? What do you mean? Not sure I know what you mean, so I just need to explain. Rewrite the equation on the paper again. Okay, so this is what Sierra's talking about. She says, write it down so that I know what I have here. And then I'm going to model those three x's. But instead of putting them all together in one group, could we just start drawing them right away apart from each other like this? And then remember that equal sign is between our x tiles. Well, we have 6 unit tiles, so what do you think? How many should we line up with each x tile? Harley? 5? 2. Oh, I thought your hand was showing me. So we could put 2 unit tiles with each of our x tiles, and then make sure that we have what the equation says. 3x with 3x tiles equal to, we have 6 unit tiles. So we should be able now to say that x is equal to what? To 2. So fill that in here. X is equal to 2. Let's circle that. This time instead of circling our other ones, let's circle that. X equals 2. Let's circle our solution even in your homework. Now we will show our check problem. So we have 3 that has to get multiplied by what? 2. And that should equal 6. Is that enough? No, what else do we have to do? Show 3 times 2 is what? 6. Now, here's what I don't like about check problems. Oftentimes students will just do this. Well, there's a 6 on the other side, so I need a 6 on this side too. And they just say, something crazy like 3 times 3 is 6. True? No. So make sure you actually do the multiplying, because if you would end up with 9 equals 6, is that a problem? Should you get a false statement? No. So we can say this one does actually check. Okay. Go ahead and show the next one. What would you draw? Remember, y tiles are really the same as x tiles. X has to share. How many unit tiles did you line up with each y tile, Hannah? 4. Okay, so I have to draw 4 to go with each of the y tiles, also known as x tiles. Because then I gotta make sure I have 2 y tiles on one side, I have 8 on the other. Looks good. I have equal groups, so I can say y equals 4. So my solution is y equals 4. Show our check problem. How do we show that? Harley?
2 with the y 4. Little quotations for 4.
Oh, I think you're trying to say
That's what I was
parentheses.
trying to say.
You were trying to say parentheses.
Yeah.
But you know what? We can just say times, okay? Parentheses next to that 2 around that 4 means multiplication, okay? So 2 times 4, we substitute that in and we say, okay, what is 2 times 4? Okay, 8. So I put an 8 under that. I bring down the other stuff that I can't really do anything with. True statement or false statement?
True.
True, so it checks, it works. Okay. Go ahead and work through the other two. I think you guys got this. And then you tell me, or I'll take volunteers to come up and work it up here. You can take either one. Okay, so whenever you're done and want to work one of them, come on up. Take your paper with you. So are you coming up to the next one? Okay. She's almost set. You can have the next one. Okay, come on up. Sylvia, you get the other one. You have to go, like into some other white space, it's fine. No, I mean, work up there, but if it runs over, just go. Just ignore me. Okay, now what should you be making sure on your papers if you're done? Now, first of all, on your algebra tiles, what should be true?
They're all positive.
Okay, they are all positive, so we don't shade any of them. Okay, what else? What else should be true? What should you be checking over with your algebra tiles? If they match, in other words, you have equal groups, is that what you mean? Okay, so do they match? Do you have equal groups? What else? Should the number of algebra tiles match the equation? Okay. So in other words, if the equation is 3x equals 15, I should have 3x tiles, and then I should have 15 unit tiles. I should be able to count up 15 unit tiles. Okay? So make sure you have that. Okay. Thank you, Sylvia. Thank you, Danny, for doing my work for me. The check is in the mail. Okay, so can anybody tell me something about number 3? Number 3. Anybody want to challenge something? Where do you all going? Looks like you're leaving me or something. Yeah, you get to go when I'm done with you matinee people, but I'm not done with you yet. So, number 3. Tell me. Danny, look it over. Do you agree with all parts of number 3? Does that match yours? You better not. throw it in, you have the right solution. You have the right solution, and it checked out, didn't it? What's missing, Carly?
Circle the solution.
Well, no, not necessarily circle the solutions, but does her groups of algebra tiles match the equation? No, what do her algebra tiles model? 3W equals 9. She missed one of them, didn't you? Yeah, so she needed to put in one more, so we'll just put it over here off by itself, I guess. It's gonna have to be by itself. Because we need to have 4 W tiles, and we need to have 12 unit tiles, and we can't say we really have that model, can we? Okay, how about number 4 then, okay? Look at that, some of us, I was a little bit confused by this. I think you're trying to make your X tiles vertical. Is that what's going on? Okay, so we want to make sure they don't look like unit tiles. We might want to make them just a little bit longer, okay? Instead of so short. Okay, I will get the assignment out to you because I do know there are some people who need to leave.